Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 5 English version, Math, Fractions chapter, Exercise 6A. 6A. Question number 5. 3 and 3/4 meter and 2 and 1/3 meter strings are how many meters altogether? This is actually just calculation. We have to add two fractions, mixed fractions here. So let's do the math. Then let us calculate 3 and 3/4 plus 2 and 1/3. If you want, how you will pronounce it? For example, 3 and 3, you can say 3 and 3/4, or and 2 and 1/3, or you can say 3 and 3/4 plus 2 and 1/3. Either way is okay. So we will not consider the unit now, just the fractions will add equals to. We already did in question number 4, did all the calculations of fractions. So it should be easy for you now. So first thing is, if there is a mixed fraction, we have to mix fraction to improper. Mixed turn to improper, or break it, make it simple. Next, okay, first thing first, mixed, we'll change it to improper fraction. 3 into 4 plus 3. 3 into 4, this 3 into 4 is 12, plus 3 is 15. So 15 will be the numerator, and denominator will remain as it is, means 4, plus 2 into 3 plus 1. 6 plus 1 means 7, and denominator will remain 3. Okay. Next thing, if the denominator are different, we have to find common denominator. Common denominator. Common denominator. So we have to find a common denominator here. What is the common denominator? Least common multiple. 3 into 4, 12. Okay. Next is, we know DDMN. DDMN. What is that? Divide by denominator. Divide by denominator, multiply by numerator. Okay. Now we will divide 12 by 4. So result is 3. 15 into 3. Multiply by the numerator. 15 into 3. Plus divide by 3. 4. Multiply by 7. 7 into 4. Equals to. So it is done. Next. Okay. 3 into 15 means 45. Plus 4 into 7 is 28. 12 equals to 45 and 28 is 73. 73 over 12. So this is a improper fraction. So if there is an improper fraction, improper should be changed to mixed. So we started with mix, we end with mix. So 73 by 12, how we change it to mixed fraction? Very easy. Divide 73 by 12. 5, 6 into 12, 72. And 1 here. So 6 and 1 over 12, or 6 and 1 twelfth equals to 6 and 1 twelfth. Now we have to add the unit. So to get many meters, how many meters altogether? Therefore, the length altogether is 6 and 1 twelfth meters. Answer 6 and 1 12 meters. Please write in the comment box if you have a question. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.